The 2025 Renault Trafic LL30 represents a fresh evolution of Renault's popular van, offering a blend of practicality, comfort, and modern design that appeals to both business users and large families. From the outside, the van carries a bold stance with sharp lines, tall vertical taillights, and a wide body profile that emphasizes stability and strength. The front fascia showcases Renault's signature grille with sleek LED headlights, giving it a contemporary look that sets it apart from traditional commercial vehicles. Its aerodynamic proportions not only add to the aesthetic appeal but also contribute to better fuel efficiency on longer drives. The LL30 variant provides extended dimensions, allowing for more cargo space or passenger seating, making it one of the most versatile vans in its segment. Stepping inside, the cabin of the Trafic LL30 is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The dashboard is simple yet modern, equipped with a digital infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and multimedia functions. The seating layout is flexible, with ample legroom and headroom to ensure comfort during long journeys. Depending on the configuration, the van can accommodate both passengers and large amounts of luggage with ease, making it ideal for shuttle services, family outings, or professional use. Renault has also focused on safety, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, parking sensors, and multiple airbags ensuring a secure driving experience. Performance-wise, the 2025 Trafic LL30 is equipped with an efficient engine that delivers a smooth balance of power and economy. It handles city streets with agility while still providing enough torque for highways and heavy loads. The suspension setup is tuned to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride. Renault has also worked on sound insulation, minimizing cabin noise and creating a more refined driving environment. Overall, the 2025 Renault Trafic LL30 stands out as a practical yet stylish van that bridges the gap between commercial usability and passenger comfort. Its modern design, spacious interior, advanced safety features, and versatile configurations make it a strong contender in the large van market. For anyone seeking a reliable and capable multi-purpose vehicle, the Trafic LL30 is a well-rounded option worth considering.